Hello everyone. Today's topic is percentage implementation. And our learning objectives is to solve real-life problems involving percentages and money. And some of the problems that we will be learning is decide which product or service is better value for money, and carry out calculations involving money. And lastly, we'll be learning how to convert between currencies. Okay, so first topic is comparative cost. We're going to cover how to do best buy questions, which involve comparing two items to see which one of them is best value for money. For example, let's imagine that we had the option of buying two kinds of apple and we want to know which one of them was best value for money. Apple Fuji is 900 grams and costs 63,000 rupiahs, whereas apple Lucky is 1 kilograms and costs 120,000 rupiahs. Which one represents the best value? Well, at the moment we can't really compare them because the sizes and costs are both different. So it's hard to see which one's more expensive. To make them comparable though, we need to make either the cost or the size the same. In this case, the easiest way to do that would be to find out how much each apple costs per grams. So if we do apple Fuji first, 63,000 rupiahs is the price for 900 grams. So we need to divide the 60,000 rupiahs by 900 grams to find out that it costs 70 rupiahs per grams. And then we do exactly the same thing for apple Lucky. So 120,000 rupiahs divided by a kilogram, which is 1,000 grams, to get 120 rupiahs per grams. And then by comparing these two prices, we can see that apple Fuji is better value because it costs 50 rupiahs per grams cheaper than apple Lucky. Okay, so next topic is sales tax. This is the tax paid on spending. It is included in the price paid for most articles. In many countries, some articles are free from sales tax, for example, children's clothing. And to find the final price after the sales tax, the formula is to multiply original price by 100% plus the tax rate. Okay, for example, a computer costs $1,200 plus sales tax at 15%. So the question asks us to calculate the selling price. Following the formula above, we will get $1,200 times 100% plus 15%, which is 115%. So we will get $1,200 times 115 over 100. So the final price of the computer is 1,380 dollars. Next topic is income tax. Income tax is paid on money earned, and most governments believe that richer people should pay more tax than poorer people. As a result of this, the amount of tax falls into different rates or tax bands. In our country, Indonesia, these are the tax bands. So if you have an annual salary up to 60 million Indonesian rupiahs, your tax rate will be 5%. And if your annual salary is above 60 million to 250 million Indonesian rupiahs, your tax rate is 15%, and so on. Okay, for example, Maya earns 6 million Indonesian rupiahs for a month as a veterinarian. What is her monthly income tax bill? So to calculate this, first we have to find how much Maya earns in a year. So we just need to times the monthly salary by 12. So we've got 72 million Indonesian rupiahs. And this is in the second category because it is above 60 million Indonesian rupiahs. So first we need to find out the tax bill for the first category. So 60 million Indonesian rupiahs times 5%, which is 5/100. So we'll get 3 million Indonesian rupiahs. The remainder of Maya salaries is 72 minus 60, and we'll get 12 million Indonesian rupiahs. We times it with the second tax rate, which is 15%. 15/100. So the second category's tax bill is 1,800,000 Indonesian rupiahs. So the total income tax bill for Maya in a year is 3 million plus 1,800,000, which is equals to 4,800,000 Indonesian rupiahs. But the question asks for her monthly income tax bill. So we need to divide this total tax by 12 because in a year there are 12 months. So we've got 400,000 Indonesian rupiahs. That means Maya has to pay 400,000 Indonesian rupiahs for her income tax bill for a month. Last topic of today's lesson is foreign currency. Different currencies are exchanged and converted around the world, so an accurate rate of conversion is needed. This table below shows some examples of values compared to 1 Indonesian rupiahs. So, for example, Maya, a student from Indonesia, is planning a trip to Japan. She wants to exchange some Indonesian rupiahs to Japanese yen for her travel expenses. Let's say Maya exchanges a million Indonesian rupiahs. How many Japanese yen is that? So to calculate this, we use the conversion rates in the table. 1 Indonesian rupiahs is equals to 0.009064 Japanese yen. So for a million Indonesian rupiahs, we just need to times it by the conversion rates. So 1 million times 0.009064 Japanese yen. So Maya will get 9,064 Japanese yen.